Welcome to our channel Biochem. In this video, we are going to discuss Class 11, Chapter 1, Unit and Measurement MCQs. Question number 1. The internationally accepted standard of measurement is called Option A. Measurement, Option B. Unit, Option C. Dimension, Option D. Error. And the right answer is option B, unit. Question number 2. How many SI base units are there? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. And the right answer is option C 7. Question number 3. Which of the following is an SI base unit of length? Option A centimeter, option B kilometer, option C meter, option D millimeter. And the right answer is option C, meter. Question number 4. Which quantity is dimensionless but has a unit? Option A, strain. Option B, plane angle. Option C, relative density. Option D, refractive index. And the right answer is option B, plane angle. Question number 5. Which of the following cannot be checked using dimensional analysis? Option A, numerical constant value. Option B, correctness of equation. Option C, conversion of units. Option D, derivation of relation. And the right answer is option A, numerical constant value. Question number 6. Which of the following pairs have the same dimensions? Option A, torque and work. Option B, pressure and energy. Option C, force and power. Option D, momentum and energy. And the right answer is option A, torque and work. Question number 7. Which of the following quantities is dimensionless? Option A, pressure. Option B, momentum. Option C, surface tension. Option D, strain. And the right answer is option D, strain. Question number 8. Least count of screw gauge is generally smaller than? Option A, vernier caliper. Option B, meter scale. Option C, measuring tape. Option D, all of these. And the right answer is option A, vernier caliper. Question number 9. Most precise instrument for small lengths. Option A, scale. Option B, tape. Option C, vernier. Option D, screw gauge. And the right answer is option D, screw gauge. Question number 10. Which quantity has the same dimensions as impulse? Option A, force. Option B, energy. Option C, momentum. Option D, pressure. And the right answer is option C, momentum. Question number 11. A zero between two non-zero digits is? Option A, not significant. Option B, significant. Option C, sometimes significant. Option D, never counted. And the right answer is option B, significant. Question number 12. Which instrument measures internal diameter accurately? Option A, meter scale. Option B, screw gauge. Option C, vernier calipers. Option D, stopwatch. And the right answer is option C, vernier calipers. Question number 13. Which quantity is independent of the system of units? Option A, numerical value into unit. Option B, numerical value only. Option C, unit only. Option D, prefix only. And the right answer is option A, numerical value into unit. Question number 14. If all fundamental units are doubled, force unit becomes? Option A, 2 times. Option B, 4 times. Option C, 8 times. Option D, 16 times. And the right answer is option B, 4 times. Question number 15. A physical quantity with unit but no dimension is? Option A, strain. Option B, relative density. Option C, plane angle. Option D, refractive index. And the right answer is option C, plane angle. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel, give a beautiful comment and stay tuned for the next part.